Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are embarking on a journey to create a serene and calming space, a hospital. Let's transform a blank canvas into a heaven of healing and comfort. We will start by sketching out the building sketch, ensuring a strong foundation for our artwork. Then we will add intricate details from the gentle curve of the roof to the welcoming entrance. As we progress, let's infuse the drawing with tranquility. Soft colors and flowing lines will create a peaceful atmosphere. We will add elements of nature like trees and flowers to bring the life and serenity to the scene. Remember, this is not just a drawing, it's a space where hope resides. Let's fill it with a positive energy and healing vibes. Join us as we bring this hospital to life one stroke at a time. Let's create a place where patients can find solace and inspiration on their journey to wellness. And there we have it, a hospital that's more than just a building, it's a symbol of care, hope, and healing. We hope this video inspire you to find beauty in everyday surroundings. Thank you for joining us on this creativity journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring art. Thanks for watching.